The community forum is one of the best ways to get quick answers to your unique problems, search best practices, and collaborate with other Domo users. You can access the community forum from Domo Central or by typing community-forums.domo.com in your browser. Make sure you're always logged into the community forum so you can engage with others and participate in the leaderboards and ranking system offered here. You will follow Domo's single sign-on by entering your company's domain to log in to the community forum. If you're new here, make sure you visit the Getting Started category to learn how to get the most out of the community forum. Introduce yourself to other Domo users by starting a discussion here. Popular categories can be found on the homepage. You can find all the category boards by hovering over Product Categories on the title bar or clicking View All. One of the most popular categories in the community forums is the Ideas Exchange. Here you can submit product enhancement ideas and upvote existing ideas. The community forum is full of Domo experts. If you have a question you'd like answered by a Domo user, first search your question. The advanced search feature will allow you to search within categories, authors, and tags. If you don't find the answer you're looking for, ask a question or start a discussion by clicking the New Post button. Use a title that is specific and consolidated. Put as much context and information into the body as necessary. You can use the rich content editor to format, embed, and upload files. Make sure to anonymize your data to avoid using sensitive information. Choose any relevant tag so experts in that topic can find your question easily. Then click Ask Question and wait for a reply. Keep checking your post and email as replies start coming in. Mark the correct solution that helped you so the solution will be easily identified with an accepted answer tag. The community forum title bar has shortcuts to search, notifications, messages, and profile. Edit your profile by clicking the Me box. Your profile will show general information, recent activity, and earned badges. You can also edit your username, notification preferences, and change your avatar. Lastly, keep coming back and engaging with users to upgrade your avatar rank. Our highest ranked users are now labeled with a coach status. You can be sure to trust coaches' answers because they are our community forum experts. The community forum welcomes you and needs your input on the Domo community forums.